Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'll show you how you can create a zip file on your computer. It's a very simple and straightforward process. So this is how it's done. So first up, select the files that you want to create a zip for. Let's say I want to create a zip for all these files in this folder that I have named random. Now, when you create a zip file, the file size gets compressed and it is easier for you to share it online. That's the main idea behind compressing files, is to reduce their size. Now, in this case, you can create a zip file by dragging and selecting all of these, then right-clicking on any one of those files. Once you do that, you will get all these options. This is Windows 11 and the second option itself says compress to zip file. Once you click on that, it will create a zip file and ask you to name that file. So I have named this file compressed, and as you can see, I have WinRAR installed in my computer, which is why zipped files are saved as WinRAR zip files. If you don't have WinRAR, it will still work because Microsoft does natively or can natively compress and decompress zip files, but WinRAR is obviously better, and you can even use WinRAR to compress these files, which is, again, you can select all of these again, and once you right click on it, you can see you have all the WinRAR options as well. Both of them serve the same purpose, which is they compress the file and zip them into a separate folder. And yeah, hopefully you guys found this helpful. If you did, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, and also comment down below on what next videos we should make. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this one. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.